So the topic is data value governance, which I'm going to differentiate from simply data governance. And to me, there's a huge opportunity to reimagine the opportunity that maybe we've been considering as we're considering what governance means to us and how we have to maybe reimagine it to really produce substantial value for our organizations. So I've had a fairly lengthy career. I've enjoyed it. I'm an analytics consultant today, but I also spend a lot of time doing education through different venues. My whole career has been focused on data in various forms. That's been a common thread. I left engineering school. I went to graduate school for an engineering degrees several years ago. I have a master's degree in mechanical engineering. But my career has been, I've touched on things from operations, working in a control center for a big pipeline company. I've worked in the process control field. I've done lots of consulting at the business and technical level. I've been involved with software most of the times. I've provided leadership roles. I do a lot of work in education delivery, and I'm a conference speaker for different organizations. The common theme is data, 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 and I've lived that through different aspects. And as I said, I live in the Toronto area in Canada. So I want to give you some context of why I think this topic is important, and why I think we have to reimagine it, or at least consider how we're approaching what the problem I think really is emerging to become. So if we take a step back for a second and say, the world is, as we all know, is rapidly changing around us in terms of the economy we're in, the technology, the skills we have or we need, the data that's available, even our fundamental business models are changing. There's disruptors all over the place. So the pace of change is accelerating. So this provides, and because there's a whole bunch of new opportunities forming around the world of data, analytics, and insights that can drive new opportunities in our business models. And we see this evidence from people now studying and applying principles of data science, advances in analytics, and where we're eventually heading is probably some forms of autonomy and artificial intelligence. This is happening at a very rapid pace today. But this causes new risks and new challenges. How do we organize ourselves to take advantage of these opportunities? Now, if we think about it, success in any of these areas is based on blending a lot of different things together, many ingredients. We could think of this as almost like a chef, where we're combining different kinds of ingredients and components to produce something really quite compelling for our organization. So the challenge is, how do we combine all the necessary ingredients to be successful in the rapidly changing field of technology, data, and analytics? That's the premise here.